Are you new to Cricut and want to learn how to import fonts into Design Space? Well, let me show you how.
Okay, so to start to upload your fonts, I'll take you to Font. So you can search whatever font that you're looking for. So if you see a font that you want, Keep on Trucking is a popular one. So you go down to the font, you hit download, and on the bottom of your taskbar is going to be the font. You just click it to open it, and then you're going to double click on the font, and you're going to hit, I already have it, so I'm just going to replace it, hit yes. Now it installs into your computer. Now I'm going to do one that I don't have in my computer, just to show you how it works on Design Space. So I don't have Chicken Hunter. So I'm going to hit download. Same thing, I'm going to go to my left taskbar, hit open, True Font, double click, and I'm going to hit install. So now it installs the font onto my computer. But now if I go into Design Space, now remember I said that I had Keep on Trucking in here. So if I go to text, and I change my font now, go to System, and I type in Keep on Trucking, you'll see that it's in here. But now the font that I just downloaded, Chicken Hunter, so now if I go to text again, and I type out chicken, remove this. So now if I go to System, and I type in chicken, you're going to see nothing comes up. So what you have to do is when you download the fonts, Design Space does not recognize it right away, so you have to force a refresh. So go to View, and now Reload, and it's going to reload Design Space. So now if I go to Text, and I go to System, and I type in chicken, now it's here. So you have to just make sure that you refresh after you upload a font. Hope that helps. See you in the next one.